Hello, welcome to this week's Tween DIY. My name is Kinsey Heisel, and I'm the Youth Services Librarian at the Boyle County Public Library. This week, we'll be making potted flowers. So you should have gotten your bag, and it will have in it everything that you'll need. First, you'll have gotten some potting mix in your bag. This is the original bag that it came from, so you can see what kind of potting mix that we used. And here's more information on the back in case you want to pause the video and take a closer look at our type of potting mix. So that's the soil that you'll need. Next, you'll have gotten a pot. You will also have gotten some flower seeds, and this is the original bag that the seeds came in. So we'll be potting some wildflowers that, as you can see, are good to pot at this time of year. And then you'll have some nice flowers. Now you got in your bag way more seeds than you'll need for this little pot, so feel free to keep those seeds, use a couple for your pot, and then you can use the rest around your home, your garden, wherever you would like. The last thing that you'll have gotten in your bag are some stickers like this. Everybody got a lot of different kind of stickers in their bag, and these are so you can decorate your pot however you choose, just to make it a little more fun. I wanted you all to have something extra to make your pot special to you. So I hope you enjoy those stickers. So this one will be pretty simple. So you'll take your pot and get your bag of soil and put it in your pot. You should have enough to fill it a decent amount. And then you'll take your seed and you'll just press it down into your soil. So it doesn't need to go down too far, just a little hole for your seed, and then you'll cover it back up. Give it some water, make sure to leave it in some sunlight, and then wait for your flower to grow. You can see from the information on the packet that it should take about 2 or 3 months to bloom, so you'll have to be a little bit patient. You can also use other seeds that you have around the house. I got these seeds at Lowe's. They have lots of different types of flowers and vegetables. So I hope that this gets you started on your own little garden at home, but feel free, like I said, to decorate your pot any way you like, to use your soil, use your flowers, seeds in a few more places. I hope that you enjoy this potted flower.